Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mari.
Mommy, do you know what's the difference between these two sentences? The woman was wearing a dress versus the beautiful woman was wearing a long white dress.
أمونغو إذا كنت حسب زولو في اللي كمزيو إتاسبيتي كدان تقدنا نبرت أبزيئة قصل يبلان أبتخل إتقنا قصل لالاتا نمثالي كمزي بلنا إتاسبقت سبيتي نوحين صعدان كدان تقدنا نبرت أبزي قصل لالو صبقتي سبيتي صبقتي قصليو نوحين صعدان كدان نوحين صعدان كقصليو تفلين دما ازيو.
You're right. That is the difference. Adjective. In the first sentence, the woman was wearing a dress. There is no adjective. But in the second sentence, the beautiful woman was wearing a long white dress. Beautiful is adjective. Long is adjective. White dress is adjective. Here are a few examples of adjective. What word in this sentence is adjective? They live in a beautiful house. Can you spot the word that's adjective? Let me know down below. Mommy, can you answer it?
ኣብ ጽቡቕ ገዛ ይነብሩ ካብ ዝሙሉእ ሓሳባት ድማ ቅጽል ጽቡቕ እዩ.
Example 2. Linda's hair is gorgeous. Can you spot what word in this sentence is adjective? Comment down below. Mommy, what do you think? What word is adjective in this sentence?
ጸጉሪ ሊንዳ ሙልክዕ እዩ. ኣብዚኣ ሙሉእ ሓሳባት ቅጽል ሙልክዕ እዩ.
You're right. Gorgeous is adjective in this sentence. Example 3. He writes meaningless letters. What do you think? What is adjective in this sentence?
ትርጉም ዘይብሉ ደብዳቤታት ድማ ጸሓፈ. ኣብዚኣ ሙሉእ ሓሳባት ቅጽል ትርጉም ዘይብሉ.
ክሳዕ መጻኢ ብሰላም ይረኽበና. See you.